Yeah, hello everyone. Um, I'm going to run a very quick video on how you can read and interpret the tournament bracket. So, as we all know, the first ever chess tournament by the New Boston um, has started already. As you can see, we have 54 people enrolled for this tournament out of 64 participants. So, as a result of this, some users are automatically qualified to enter the second round. So right now the tournament has started and we'll be having our first match October 5, which is on Tuesday. Okay, so let's go straight to the brackets. So we have the bracket here. Okay, so in the bracket we have the bracket and the standings. Now the standings shows all the users in the tournament, all the participants, and our match history will be shown here. Once matches start, we have the win, we have the loss, and this table will be automatically adjusted as we play the match. So the participant with the highest number of wins comes first, then followed by the next, followed by the next. So let's go to the bracket. So here we have a bracket, and as you can see, some people are in the second round already without playing any match. I guess they are super lucky. Okay, so in the bracket we have our first match, which is on Tuesday. We have VHAO versus Nikon. So this is how the bracket works. So our dates are fixed as they are announced in our game rules. Dates are fixed. However, this time is subjectable to change. So the time here are default times. Um, so the time of each match is decided by the two players. And the two players. So right now on Tuesday we have 7 matches. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 matches on Tuesday. So what is expected of each participant is to message their opponents on Discord, and they both come to a suitable time for the both of them. So once they do that, I will personally update the time here. Now UTC is the same as GMT, so whatever time we have here, you have to know that it's in GMT. So, but right now, to catch live updates, I will encourage everyone to join the Discord server, because we have live updates there. So, as I said, once participants decide on the time, I will update this and we'll have the time in GMT or UTC, which is the same thing. So, um, so once the tournament starts, you can also check the details of each match here. So once these two people plays, the winner automatically moves to the next round. And to check the match details, you can come here, click on this button. You see match details. You click on the button, then it shows you the details of the match. So we can see we have VR gaming. Oh yeah, and by the way, the first name here is the light here is the Discord username of the participant, while the one in bracket is the light chess username of the participant. So right here under the match detail, we can see the time Tuesday, October 5. The match has not started. So once the match is done, you can also check the replay of the matches on our YouTube channel, which is this. You come to attachment, and if you come to attachment, you will see a link here. Once the match starts, you see a link here that says YouTube replay or match replay, and you see the YouTube link. So for every matches, I'm going to be updating the YouTube link, so you can come to the bracket and check match details or what each match is. Okay, so you don't have to go to Discord and scroll through all the YouTube links, or go to our YouTube channel and be scrolling through. You can come here directly and you see the attachment of all YouTube replays. Okay, so that's basically all. So once round one is done, we're moving on to round two. Yeah, then also I said that users that will be playing white will be announced before the match starts. So this is how it works. for each round, we will announce all the users that will be playing white. So very soon, which is likely tomorrow on Monday, we would announce we have okay. For our first round, we have how many matches? We have I think we have 22 matches. Yeah, we have 22 matches. Okay, so that means by tomorrow Monday, I will announce on Discord the 22 participants that will be playing white for this round. I'll be announcing that in the Discord server. So that's why I encourage everyone to join the Discord server. So once we're done with round one, I will move to round two. Before we start any match in round two, I will announce all the participants that will be playing white also on Discord server. So that's how we'll do it for round one, round two, round three, round four, semi-finals, and third place, then the finals. So I really do hope I've answered every question about the bracket. Don't forget that the time of each matches will be decided by the two players. So the two players are expected to communicate on Discord and agree on a time that is suitable to both of them and get across to the moderator so that we can update the table and add it to our database. Okay, so I wish everyone best of luck, and I say that may the best man win. So cheers to a great tournament. Okay.